Please sit in Sukhasana, that is cross-legged position, and index finger, thumb together, and wrist on the knees. Sit erect, eyes closed, spine straight. Inhale deeply and start humming 3 times. Please open your eyes. Please stretch your arms forward and bend your finger from first joint, second joint, make the fist. Open. Again bend the finger, second joint, make the fist. Again open. With the right hand, pull the hand inward. It gives a beautiful impact on the wrist joint and the whole arm. Now come back and push the hand inward. Come back. With your left hand, pull the fingers of right hand inward. Come back. With your left hand, push the hand inward. Come back. Now make the fist and rotate the fist outwardly, slowly, slowly. Keeping the whole hand steady up to the wrist. Now inward movement. Come back. Now place your fingers jointly on the shoulders and combine the elbows. While inhaling, go up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down. Now reverse movement, inhaling, up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down. Now place your hands on your waist and inhaling, raise your shoulders up and from front rotate the shoulders down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down. Reverse movement, inhaling, up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down, inhaling, up, exhaling, down. Now next is a neck movement. A word of caution for those who are having cervical spondylitis, they should not bend their head. Now inhaling, raise your, exhaling, chin down, inhaling, chin up, exhaling, chin down, inhaling, come to normal. Now inhale, turn your head towards right, inhaling, come to center, exhaling, turn to left, inhaling, come to center, exhaling, turn to right, inhaling, come to, exhaling, turn to left, inhaling, come to center. With the right hand, hold your head and pull your head towards the right side. Come back. Now hold your head with the left hand and tilt your head towards the left side. Come back. Now exhaling, head down and rotate the head clockwise. Come back. Now reverse anti-clockwise. Come back. These were the neck muscles and neck joint flexibility exercise. Now we are going to do neck muscles strengthening exercise. Make the grip and put it on the forehead and push your head forward. Feel the vibrations in your neck joint and neck muscles. This will strengthen the neck muscles. Come back. Place the grip behind your head and push your head backward. Come back. Place your right hand on right side and push your head towards the right side. Come back. Now place your left hand on left side. Push your head towards the left side. Come back. Place your hands below the jaw and push your jaw upward. This gives a natural yogic traction. Come back. Place your both the fists in between the chin and the neck pit and push your head, chin downward. Come back. Now stretch your legs forward and pull your toes inward. Push your toes downward. Feel the impact of leg muscles, thigh muscles, knee joint and ankle joint. Again, pull your forefoot inward in such a way that you should raise the heels a bit above the surface. Come back. Now push the forefoot downward. Come back. Now rotate the toes anti-clockwise, clockwise. And anti-clockwise. Come back. Now hold your right leg near the thighs and stretch your leg up forward and pull your toes inward and lift your leg upward, keeping the knee straight. Feel the impact on your knee joint, thigh joint, hip joint and ankles. Come back. Now hold your left leg and raise it upward. Pull your toes inward. Push your heel outward. This cures the knee problem. In case you are having any knee pain joint, come back. Now, butterfly exercise. Make the grip and hold your toes. Grip your toes. Place your heels near to the perineum region and knees up and down. Come back. Now stand up please for standing postures. First is Tadasana. It is called mountain palm tree posture. Heels and toes 2 inches apart. Place your grip on the head, interlocking the fingers. Now raise your arms up and slowly raise your heels up. Maintain the balance. This asana gives the stability and nervous neuro alertness. Improvement in the postural alignment. Slowly come back. Relax like this. Eyes closed. Normalize your breath. Now alert for Trikonasana, triangle posture. Spread your legs 3 to 4 feet apart, and turn your right foot in right direction, left foot inside. Stretch your arms up to the shoulder level, horizontally to the ground, and inhale, and exhaling, bend toward the right side, and look up toward the left hand. If you are not able to reach up to the ankle, you can reach up to the knee and be stable. Be perpendicular. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back. Now turn your right and right foot inside, and bend toward the left side. Look toward the right hand. Breathe normally. This asana helps in spinal health and spinal strength. Slowly, slowly come back. Hands down. Relax. Sit down, please. First is in sitting condition, Bhadrasana. Stretch your legs forward. This is Dandasana. Place your hands besides your hips and spine straight. This is Dandasana. And Bhadrasana, auspicious posture. Please combine your soles together and grip it like in butterfly exercise, and place the heels near to the perineum. Spine straight. Feel the impact on your thigh joint, hip joint, knees. This asana gives the stability and mental peace also. Slowly, slowly come back. Relax in Sukhasana. Alert for Vajrasana. From your right side, sit in between the heels. Stand up on your knees, and heels apart, toes touching, hands on the knees. This is very good asana for digestion. Flow is blocked below the knees, and lot of blood is available for your abdominal region, so it helps in digestion, and it helps base to the body and also the spinal health, because the spine is erect. Now Uttan Mandukasana. Spread your knees sideways like this, and sit in between the heels, toes together. Place your hands in your front and raise your arms up, and inhale. Exhaling, hands down, bend forward, chin on the ground, look up, chin on the ground. Very good. Slowly, slowly slide back, and hands up, hands down. Uttan Mandukasana. Raised frog posture. Again, spread your arms up and raise your hands up Place your right hand on the left shoulder, left hand on the right shoulder. This asana is good for betterment of lungs capacity. It strengthens the spine, maintains the stability. Slowly, slowly come back. Again, sit in Vajrasana. Now we are going to do lying down postures. First, lie down on your chest in Makarasana. Spread your legs and fold your hands. Place your head on your hands. Relax. This is Makarasana. Crocodile posture. Alert for Bhujangasana. Combine your legs. Place your hands, your palms near to the chest. Elbows raised. Forehead on the ground. Now lift your neck and chest up. Elbows slightly bent. Raise up to the navel point. Breathe normally. This asana is good for the spinal problems like backache, spondylitis, and digestion also. Slowly, slowly come down. Again, relax in Makarasana. Crocodile posture. Alert for locust posture. Place your palms, eyes, palms facing up. Those having backache, they should not lift their both legs. Initially, we'll start with the one leg. Lift your right leg up. Breathe normally. It helps in curing lumbar region spondylitis. Slowly, slowly come down. Now raise your left leg up, knee straight. Lift it as far as possible. Breathe normally. Slowly, slowly come back. Now we will do with both legs. Those having backache, they should not do it. Inhale and raise your both the legs up. Breathe normally. Feel the impact on your lumbar region. Slowly, slowly down. Asana, crocodile posture. Now turn on your back. Lie down in Shavasana. Legs. Normalize your breath. Uttan Padasana, raised legs posture. Combine your legs. A word of caution, those having, they should not raise. So initially we'll start with the raising of the one leg. Hands, palms beside the thighs, legs together. Now raise your right leg up to the 30 degree. Raise up to 60 degree. Raise slowly, slowly down. Now, take 30 degree above the surface, 60 degree above the surface, 90 degree above the surface. Slowly, slowly. Your neck, tighten your head, tighten your facial muscles, tighten, 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 and relax, release. Feel complete relaxation. Relax your toes, relax your legs, relax your knees, relax your spine. Bring awareness to your abdomen. Relax your abdomen. Going on now. Either you can sit in Sukhasana or Ardha Padmasana or Purna Padmasana, whatever is convenient, comfortable to you. Sit in Gyan Mudra. Spine is erect. We will do a little meditation. Concentrate over your breath. How the breath is coming in, how the breath is going out. Just concentrate. Our breath is our life energy force. Now bring awareness to your complete body, right from the toes to the top of the head. If any thought is coming, just allow the thought to come and allow it to go. Don't hold back the thought. And again, bring your concentration on the breathing process. You can give good affirmation and determinations in your in this meditative condition. Your determinations and affirmations will take right course. It will help you in meeting those goals. Open your eyes, come back with the folded hands, pray to the Almighty for happiness, peace and contentment in our life. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this session, yoga session. So this is, please stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.